Hey, what's up? What's up, people? How are you today? Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Hair Facts, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is about hair care routine for home, which will be both for male and female. So, without wasting any time, let's jump in the video. Hey guys, so our home care routine will be divided into 3 steps for the males and 5 steps for the ladies. So let's get started with the male hair care routine at home. So the first step for the men's hair care routine at home would be oiling your hair before you shampoo it. Oiling your hair is very important and it also helps you with a lot of nutritions what your hair is supposed to be getting and which you are not able to fulfill through your nutrition and diet. That's the reason we are supposed to apply oil on a very regular basis. For males who wash their hair daily, I would recommend around about 3 times a week you should apply oil, and you have to just apply it 60 to 90 minutes just before your shower. So after you have finished oiling, let us start with the second step, which would be shampooing your hair. So while taking shampoo, you have to take a coin size, and after that rub it nicely, emulsify it on your hands and then apply it onto your hair, as you can see over here. Once you've washed your hair nicely, make sure that the oil that you have applied has come out absolutely. So once you have applied your shampoo, gently wash your scalp, because normally what happens is there are many spots what normally get missed out while washing them. So kindly gently rub your scalp very gently. After that, once you have done washing your scalp,
you will rinse your hair. The rinsing should be done with lukewarm water, not very hot, not very cold. Gently you will rub your scalp so that all the shampoo what is there on the scalp and the oil comes out very easily and nicely. So there is no more oil left or shampoo left for itchiness in our scalp.
so misters, the third step of your home care routine is the most important, the conditioner. Many men do not use conditioner. I have noticed that a lot of times. So kindly guys, invest in your conditioner, please. That is very important for you, because what happens is conditioner is there to close your cuticles. After your shampooing, you need a conditioner to close your cuticles. Otherwise, only shampooing is not going to help your hair at all by any chance. And guys, just keep in mind, when you're applying your conditioner, you are just supposed to use your fingertips in that, and you will not apply it on the root. It is going to be just on the mid length, this much. Sorry for my hair, it just looks a little bit weird. And kindly use the same conditioner which brand your shampoo is. Do not mix and match your shampoo and conditioner, please. I've seen a lot of people doing that mistake. You do not do it. Please use the same brand shampoo and conditioner. The reason being because there are some ingredients in that what complement the shampoo, and in the shampoo there are some ingredients what complement the conditioner. That's the reason you're supposed to use the same brand shampoo and conditioner. So now we are going to talk about the female hair care routine for home. So So let's get started with that. The first step would be oiling. Very important, as you all know. But oiling is supposed to be done only 60 to 90 minutes before your shampoo. If you want to know in more depth about why you're not supposed to oil your hair in the night, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I've already made a video about it. You can go and have a look at the video and you'll come to know the exact reason why are you not supposed to apply oil and keep it overnight. So ladies, you will have to apply oil at least twice a week to see the best result actually. That is the step one, which we already discussed about, that why is oiling very important and why it's supposed to be done only 60 to 90 minutes before your shower. Once you're done with that, you will take coin-sized shampoo onto your palm, emulsify it nicely and apply it on your scalp. You will rub your scalp gently, not very hard, and you will not go into circular movement. You will rub them straight this way, very gently, and you will remove all the oil from there. And you are not going to rub it with your nails. You are going to use your fingertips into that. You are not going to use your nails actually, just with your fingertips you're supposed to emulsify it and clean it very gently, not at all a lot of pressure supposed to be applied on that. The third step is to apply conditioner. So conditioner is supposed to be applied only on mid to ends. Okay, you are not going to apply it on your scalp, as you all know. You're going to take it on your fingers, rub it nicely on your fingertips and go through your hair. It's going to be only from mid to end. This is the third step for you. Your fourth step is going to be to apply mask once a week at least once a week you're supposed to apply mask. And if you actually want to know what is the exact procedure to apply your mask and what is the proper routine for that, comment below. I will make another video upon that, which is going to be very interesting again. So this is going to be your fifth step. This is the fifth step actually. If you are a person who actually needs to blow dry, iron, or tong your hair on a regular basis, like thrice a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, or even every day. In fact, there are many females who have to iron their hair every day. Biggest suggestion would be, please invest in a heat protector. Heat protector is very important for your hair, and please do not do the mistake of thinking that the serum what you're using, it is going to protect your hair from the heat that you're going to use from the iron. It is not. Yes, serum does protect your hair from some extent of heat, but the heat that you're using on your hair, it is not going to protect it at all. So kindly invest in a heat protector and apply it before your blow dry or iron, because that will not 100% save your hair from damage, but at least it will save it around about 60 to 70%, which is quite a lot. And then you can do other things also to recover it, so that is not a problem. But it's not recommended to use heat every day onto your hair, but still then it's your choice, because there are some professions where you cannot actually go like that. So you need to blow dry, you need to iron your hair. So very important thing, if you are doing that on a very regular basis, please invest in a heat protector. So guys, it was amazing having a word with you guys. It was amazing talking to you, sharing my experience with you. And I would like to say thank you so much guys for your love and support for my first video. Keep your love and support with me this way only, so I can grow. Thank you so much once again. If you like the videos, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be updated with our latest videos. I will see you in the next videos. Till then, you take care.